Good day, everyone. Welcome back to your virtual learning class. So, for today, let's talk about the different principles of preparing vegetables. Are you ready? Let's start. First, avoid overcooking vegetables. Why? It is because when vegetables are overcooked, their taste, nutritive value, and texture suffers. It also destroys the bright colors, which makes them less appealing to the diners. To preserve the texture and color of vegetables, they should be cooked until tender crisp, which means they can easily bite with a bit of a snap. Second, avoid adding too much fat. Most vegetables are quite low in calories. Sauteing veggies in lard, which is fat from animals, can increase the calories up too high. Third, always remember that smaller or young vegetables have often milder flavor, which means smaller or young vegetables are more tender and more flavorful than mature counterparts. Fourth, blanching minimizes vitamin loss. How? Blanching vegetables in hot water for just a minute takes away much of the raw taste, but minimizes vitamin losses because the process is quick. And lastly, the addition of spices, herbs, onion, garlic, vinegar, or citrus juice can add flavor with no additional calories. Alright, now let's proceed with the different classification of vegetables according to parts of plants. So let's get it on. The first classification of vegetable according to parts of plants is gourd family. So some examples of gourd family are cucumber, pumpkin, and chayote. Second classification, we have the seeds and pods family. It consists of beans, peas, corns, and okra. Next, we have the fruit vegetables, which are mostly cooked as viands. Some examples are avocado, sweet pepper, tomato, and eggplant. Next classification, we have the roots and tubers, which are the underground parts of plants. Our examples are beet, carrot, turnip, potato, radish, artichoke, and sweet potato. Now let's proceed with the cabbage family. This classification of vegetable according to parts of plants is consist of cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli. Next, we have the onion family. Some examples of this family are, of course, onion, scallion, leek, garlic, and shallot. Next, we have the leafy greens, which are composed of spinach and lettuce. Now, asparagus and bamboo shoots are examples of stalks, stems, and shoots family. And lastly, we have the mushrooms. At this point of time, we are done discussing and explaining the classification of vegetables according to parts of plants. Now, let's proceed with another classification, which is the classification of vegetable according to chemical composition. First, we have the carbohydrates-rich vegetables, which are composed of seeds, roots, and tubers. Second is the protein-rich vegetables, which are composed of legumes, peas, and beans. Third is the fat-rich vegetables, which are composed of nuts, olives, and avocado. And lastly, the high moisture content, which are composed of mushroom, tomatoes, radish, and green leafy vegetables. That's all for now, grade 10. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless. See you on our live discussion.